to borrow. Hwazima mbahindru namru hau hupara mapesa. I wanna borrow your car. Nga mwanzo nazime le gari la haho. I wanna borrow your pen. Nga mwanzo nazime ye stilo ya haho. Could I borrow something from you? Yenge jomkinishi hanazime mbahindru nawe. To lend. Hwazima mru mbahindru. I will lend you my car. Nga mjo hazima le gari la hangu. I will lend you some money. Nga mjo hupata mapesa. Can you lend me your car? Yenge jomkinishi haunazime le gari la hao. Would you lend me your pen? Yenge jomkinishi haunazime stilo ya haho. Ye pase ya borrow, borrowed. He borrowed my car. Wahazima le gari la hangu. He borrowed some money from me. Wahapara mapesa nami. Hawahazima mapesa nami. He lent me his car. Wahanazima le gari la hahe. He lent me some money. Wahanipata mapesa. Kena uparomkinisha wambe ukana borrow me nazime. Ashengo jamba ukana lend me nazime. Lender. How lend her. Azima ye mwana msheuo. Lend him. Azime mwana mmeu. How lend him. Lend them. Wazime wao. Lend us. Razime. Lend us your car. Razime le gari la hao. Have a good day.